Look like an experienced consultant. Verbal communication, sales objections, role play application. Experience consultant, verbal communication. What is verbal communication at work? Number 1, talking to customers. Number 2, discussions with team members. Number 3, internal meetings. Number 4, presentations. 4 key elements of verbal communication. How you listen and acknowledge creates confidence. Talk like a experienced consultant. Understanding your customer creates rapport. How you speak and write creates respect. 4 key elements of verbal communication. How you listen and acknowledge creates confidence. Talk like an experienced consultant. Understanding your customer creates rapport. How you speak and write creates rapport, creates respect. Mindset. How to be an experienced consultant. Your persona, your mindset. Application. Persona of an experienced consultant. K. Knowledge. A. Attitude. S. Skills. H. Habits. Your mindset. What will you say if you call up a customer to discuss about his goal achievement or his burning problem? The customer hears you are from Bada Business and says he doesn't want to talk to you. What would you say? A customer has asked you to visit him to explain the plan. You are just reaching his home when he calls and asks you to come tomorrow because he has to go somewhere. What did you say? Said nothing, accepted quickly, felt irritated but agreed, pleaded, gave up, asked reasons, asked for time, offered alternative, stayed calm, found best option, argued, complained, insisted, raised voice, showed anger. Identify communication style. Passive. Said nothing, accepted quickly, felt irritated but agreed, pleaded, gave up. Assertive. Asked reasons, asked for time, offered alternative, stayed calm, found best option. Aggressive. Argued, complained, insisted, raised voice, showed anger. Let's understand. Passive. Assertive, aggressive. Passive. Communicates message of inferiority. Goal, you win, I lose. Assertive. Communicates self-respect and respect of others. Stands up for own rights. Expresses thoughts, feelings and beliefs in direct, honest and appropriate manner. Goal, win-win. Aggressive. Always communicates the message of superiority, arrogance and disrespect. Goal, I win, you lose. Benefits of being assertive. You have control of what you have to say. You are not worried about being too harsh or soft. You are ready to listen and respond. Your communication is open and mature. Your project confidence and good sense. Self-assessment. 15 questions. Write the Q number and your rating. Rate from 1 to 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5. Always do this. 4 often. 3 sometime. 2 rarely. 1 never do this. How assertive are you? Question 1. I ask others to do what is needed without feeling worried about and guilty. Number 2. Question 2. When someone asks me to do something I don't want to do, I say no without feeling guilty or anxious. Question 3. I am comfortable when speaking to a large group of people. Question 4. I confidently tell my opinion to seniors. How assertive are you? Countered. Question 5. When I experience powerful feelings, anger, frustration, disappointment, etc., I can say what I feel. Question 6. I am comfortable speaking in a group situation. Question 7. When I express anger, I do so without blaming others for making me angry, causing the problem. Question 8. If I disagree with someone, I can say my points without feeling uncomfortable that I am being too harsh. How assertive are you? Countered. Question 9. When I make a mistake, I will accept that I made an error. Made an error. Question 10. I tell others when their problem creates an issue for me. Question 11. Meeting new people in social situations is something I do with ease and comfort. Question 12. When someone has a different opinion than me, I can discuss it. I can discuss it without labeling others as crazy, stupid, mad, etc. How assertive are you? Countered. Question 13. I assume that most people are capable and trustworthy. I don't worry that they will not be able to do what I'm asking for. Question 14. When considering doing something I have never done, I am confident I can learn to do it. Question 15. I believe that my needs are as important as those of others and I am entitled to have my needs satisfied. Your assertiveness score, if your score is 60 or higher, you have consistently assertive philosophy. You are able to handle most situations well. If your score is 45 to 60, you have a fairly assertive outlook. There are some situations in which you are naturally assertive. If your total score is 30 to 45, you seem to be assertive in some situations, but your natural response is either non-assertive or aggressive. If your total score is 15 to 30, you have difficulty in being assertive. Assertive mindset is essential to communicate like an experienced consultant. How to have assertive mindset and assertive conversation? Question 1. Use I and use statements carefully, i.e., you are wrong, I don't agree with this. Question 2. 2. Describe facts, say what happened, don't give opinion on exaggeration, i.e., this is bad work. The wording in your email need revision. Also, the headings are spaced inconsistently. Third, use clear direct requests when you want others to do something rather than hinting, being indirect, or presuming, i.e., sir, can you fill this form today and share a copy of your ID? Please fill this form and give me a copy of your ID. Please give this today so that I can book the course and the offers discussed with you at the same cost as today is the last day of the offer. Passive, assertive, or aggressive? Number 1, I don't know what to do. I will ask someone. Question number 2, whatever you think, I'll do it. 3, I don't know why you can't see this course is best for you. 4, so what you are saying is okay, let's see how we should do this. 5, I can see you are very busy. It is also important to get this done today. When can you do it today? 6, you have more experience than me. You decide. 7, they are stupid, sir. They don't know anything. I will tell you, sir. 8, let me work with you to understand why you feel it's not useful. Passive, assertive, or aggressive? 1, I don't know what to do. I will ask someone. Passive. 2, whatever you think, I'll do it. Passive. 3, I don't know why you can't see this course is best for you. Aggressive. 4, so what you are saying is okay, let's see how we should do this. Assertive. 5, I can see you are very busy. It is also important to get this done today. When can you do it today? Assertive. 6, you have more experience than me. You decide. Passive. 7, they are stupid, sir. They don't know anything. I will tell you, sir. Aggressive. 8, let me work with you to understand why you feel it's not useful. Assertive. Remember, what will you say if situation 1, you call up a customer to discuss about his goal achievement or his burning problem. The customer hears you are from Bada Business and says he doesn't want to talk to you. What would you say? Situation 2, a customer has asked you to visit him to explain the plan. You are just reaching his home when he calls and asks you to come tomorrow because he has to go somewhere. You can say, situation 1, I understand, sir, that you are busy. Just allow me 2 minutes of your time so that I can give you free consultation about achieving your professional goals. You can say situation 2, sir, I'm a few minutes away from your house. Please wait for a short while so that we can get this done today. It will take 15 minutes and we can get this done today. Think of a situation that could have managed better being assertive. Sales objections. Objections are thank you.